People have different interests and hobbies. Some like bird watching or fishing. This is the story of Behrouz. 27 years ago, Behrouz came to Norway from Iran. He is now 57, retired and living with his family in Hillevåg. He is very fond of animals, and in particular, birds. Once a week, he goes to different supermarkets, but usually Rema 1000, to collect pieces of bread from the garbage bins. Sometimes, if there is no bread in the bins, he will then need to buy the bread, which he does in the morning when the bread is cheaper. For the past 3 years, Behrouz has been feeding the birds at the small lake in the centre of Stavanger, where mainly seagulls and pigeons congregate. Behrouz breaks the bread into small pieces to make it easier for the birds to eat.
بعد الان مای اینا تخم‌گذاری میکنن. من بهشون غذا هفته 2-3 بار میدم برای اینکه غذا کم گیرشون میاد. بعد من خودم یه سگ دارم، حیوونا رو خیلی دوست دارم.
At the lake, the birds swarm with excitement when Behrouz feeds them, swooping and diving to catch a piece of bread. This is a weekly ritual which Behrouz greatly enjoys and brings him much happiness, and no doubt to the birds as well.